Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to easily create a stunning attractive look using Gemini AI powered by Nano Banana. This is Google latest feature that lets you edit photo instantly with just a simple prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open up Gemini. You can open it through your browser or you can open it through the app. And then when you're in, just log in with your Google account. And next, just tap on create image, this one, to access the Nano Banana tools, or you can also access it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This tool allows you to make quick and professional edit, no complicated software needed. Next, just upload the photo that you want to edit. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And on this tutorial I'm using a simple bare face portrait, and then in this time I will retouch this photo into a attractive look. So I will type a prompt like this. For example like this, you can just feel free to tweak your prompt. You can be as detailed or creative as you like, and when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, you will see the transformations, the incredible transformations like this: smooth skin, flawless retouch, and a natural makeup vibe. It's so quick and honestly, it's so realistic, almost like a professional beauty shoot. Just look at the before and after, from a bare face to a clean, fresh, and naturally enhanced look like this, and it's all done instantly with AI. This is super useful if you want profile picture or maybe content photos or just fun edits without spending hours. And okay, that's how easy it is to create an attractive look with Gemini AI powered by Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!